Right then guys, so in today's video we've got a special one for you. We have the first McLaren GT at the studio for our Xpel Full Car Paint Protection Film Package. This is the ultimate level of protection for your car, so if you've watched some of our videos before, you'll know the first step is to get the car decontaminated outside the studio. So let's get on with it. So as I mentioned, we needed to go ahead and start the chemical decontamination. So first up, we've gone ahead and applied our citrus APC. What this does just breaks down any of the tougher dirt that is on the car. So now we're rinsing that off, we can go ahead and apply the NLD car care foam. What that does is loosens up any of the remaining dirt that is on the car before we start the contact stage of the wash. One thing we have noticed with this McLaren is that it does actually have a lovely blue metallic to it, so I don't know if you can see it on camera just yet, but I'll make sure to get some proper shots of that gorgeous paintwork. So then that's the McLaren GT decontaminated and pulled inside the PPF bay. As you can see on the windscreen here, Toby's been pretty busy with the Xpel DAP software and cut pretty much all of the PPF that we need for the McLaren. So it's nearly ready for us to go ahead and start applying the PPF. One thing, there was one stone chip on this entire front end, so what we've done, we've gone ahead and touch it in for the customer as requested. So now that we're waiting for that to dry, I can show you the Xpel DAP software that Toby's used to adjust the templates exactly how we need them for this McLaren. So let me take you inside the plotting room. So this is the Xpel DAP software, and as you can see, McLaren GT full car template that Toby's adjusted. So here is pretty much the entire car. So wings, bumper, rear spoiler, bonnet, doors, and then front bumper. So that's all of the pattern now there. As I showed you, Toby's now cut them and they're waiting for the paint to dry on the touch-in, and then we can go ahead and get it applied. So then guys, I thought I'd quickly update you on the McLaren GT. So we've been absolutely smashing out the PPF on this. So now the bonnet, the wings, the doors and the rear quarters are all now protected with the film. So if I show you along this door, so all of this has been adjusted on the templating software, so we can wrap this entire edge all along here, and then we're not able to wrap it underneath this door, so it comes right up to that edge line there. I'll show you on this wing. So here there's not enough material to fold it round, so what we've done, gone up to this crease line, and then on this bit in the exact same way. The bonnet, this has all been wrapped, so as you can see no film at all or no edges. That's the sort of level we're trying to achieve here with the PPF at the studio, so let's go ahead and get the rest of it protected. Right then guys, so after a lot of hard work from the team at the studio, that's this McLaren GT now complete. So this has had the ultimate level of protection with our Xpel Ultimate Fusion Full Car PPF. So every single painted surface has been protected with the film, and then the wheels and glass have been protected with our Wax is Dead ceramic coatings. If you want something similar for your car, don't hesitate to get in touch. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.